Good morning. Welcome to another episode of the Garage Sale Challenge. This is week 2. Since our last Garage Sale Challenge, we have sold a few items. Our initial budget was $50. We spent about $41 last time, leaving us with $9 left just in case we didn't sell anything. But we did, thankfully. We sold the University of Miami plush. We have $9.94. The Tokidoki crossbody messenger bag, $15.10. The 1979 lot of Miami Beach Art Deco memorabilia, we got $18.55. And after fees, all these totals are going to be after fees to show like an accurate description of what we actually made. So that brings our new total and our new budget to $52.29. We have a lot of garage sales to hit up today. You may have noticed I do not have my better half, Brittany. She is away for work, so you are stuck with me today. Hopefully we find something good. Hello, good morning. Beads are cool.
Who brought this out? This is how you roll up and down the shutter. Fine. Not for sale. Just to give a little breeze. Right, yeah. How much of this salsa? Or you don't want that salsa, but you can take it if you want it. That's the old style DeWalt. That's the first generation DeWalt. The batteries now slide in. Yep. See, I could be the nice guy and just sell it to you, but I'm.
But if I have a time, I'm in the place, and my wife don't say nothing, I take it all.
Yeah. My dad was an electrician for 50 years.
Oh, okay, I didn't see those. Oh, thank you. Yeah, these were up here. Yeah, let me check it out. Thank you. Oh, yeah, you're right. There's another one. How much for the chocolate molds?
Sold.
Yes.
Everything for $4?
Sure. Yeah, I'll do $4. All right, they decided to give us a deal, all for $4. I should easily get that on all the chocolate molds, which, depending on the style, those are pretty generic, but also cute styles. $20 for, I could probably lot them all up. I got like 9 of them. So, pretty sure we can make all that back real quick. So, let me see where the next garage sale is, and let's head that way. All the golf clubs are cool. Hello, good morning. That's cool. Okay, I think I'm ready.
Okay, so we have 1, 2, this is 3,
Okay.
and this is 50 cents.
Okay, so what's our
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $5.50, right?
$5.50? Okay.
3, 4, $5.50.
Okay. I don't have 50 cents, but let me Let me see if I can find something else here for 50 cents real quick. I was looking at this little toy car. Alright, and I think I have exactly 6. Thank you so much. You have a great day. Hello, good morning.
How are you?
Good, good.
Absolutely, yeah. There's a lot of great tools up there.
Yeah, yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you so much.
This was there. Who would I?
Me.
Okay, just making sure. Alright, I'll take it for $2. Alright, that one was a little disappointing. They didn't have that much stuff. Bought this, which isn't the best flip, but it's sports memorabilia, and a lot of people love the University of Miami. So, pretty safe bet. Hello, good morning.
So beautiful. They're beautiful.
Who's going to give me money? Or he'll loan me money. Fine. I'll give it to you. You got all the money already. You have all the money.
Oh, cool.
You gotta give some up.
And it's
Give it
large.
up, buddy. I'll take 5.
Might buy that. And I got a,
No.
I got a dust bubble. Somebody,
It doesn't do it.
Ooh.
You gotta see, like, they've had a lot of times.
So many.
Allie needs her teeth cleaned.
well, I had to come to the house.
Thousand.
Credit for him.
I don't know why we had
Don't forget the floss.
Oh, we lost one.
With the
Well, I'm
dog.
standing here, I'm going to water that.
How much are the shirts?
Church ready?
The shirts are $1 each.
Okay. Well, I might get a couple more if it's like that. And 7. Okay.
No,
I have 7 shirts here. I'll give it to her. Here, I grabbed 7 shirts.
Oh, thank you so
Thank
much.
you. No, thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. You have a great day.
You too.
Thank you.
Machine in there.
Yes, yes.
And she was gonna pay for them to put the machine. All I would tell her is, I have one, he's gonna
Wish I
come
had
and
the
take
space
care
for
of it.
That's nice.
And see what happens, let me know. And if I hear anything more from Judy, I'll let you know.
But open door.
Because she was calling the.
You didn't go in there?
Howard, how come? Now,
How much for these, sir?
For the bag? These?
No, the bag's mine.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Make a reasonable offer.
Let's see.
Hey, how you could be better, could be worse, I know, you want me to start complaining?
Exactly.
15?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. 15 cents. All right. Thank you. Well, good morning.
I didn't finish it. It was late at night that I was scraping it because it was right.
Every time. Anything here's $1? Okay. Thank you, man. That's nice. All right, yeah. Okay, I got this one here,
Okay,
the dollar one,
$1.
and then these two were from, I guess that's a 25-cent bit.
25 cents.
Okay, and then I'm gonna take a glass of lemonade. It's hot out.
Thank you.
There we go. Here, I have two. You can keep the change.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, so I'm back home since it was so hot. Temperatures got into the hundreds, but I think I did fairly well. I spent a total of $29, and that'll easily turn into over $100 just based off of the comps. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like, and if you want to see more content like this, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.